Hey, so I'm jumping right in and I'm beginning by filling in my brows. And I'm going to, of course, fill in my brows, conceal them, and blend out that concealer. So for the top of my brow, I use a mixture of my foundation and my concealer that I use for my underbrow. And I just mix those up and use that. Once that's done, I'm going to conceal my eyelids and then I'm going to jump straight into the shadow. I used four different shades, all from the Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette. And I'm going to make sure I list the names of each color while I'm applying, so you'll see that. My next step is to prime my face, and then once that's done, once I prime my face, I'm going to, of course, add foundation and blend that out. Once that's blended out, I'm going to add some concealer, blend that, and then I'm going to also prep my eyelashes to add the lashes. And once I set my face, I'll be back. Okay, so going back in now to touch up the bottom lash line with some eyeshadow. And then I'm going to apply some liner. I'm going to do a green liner on the bottom lid. And I'm going to do a tight black line on the top lid. So after that's done, I'm going to contour, apply some lashes, set my face, and then add some glow. And I'll be back for the lips.
She's gonna love this. Soundbar.
So she can watch her cartoons in surround sound.
And football.
So now what we're gonna do is go in to the lips, and I'm using black just to, add to the black that's on the outer corner of my eye. And with my lips, I did do a little bit of over applying for the lipstick, so you're gonna see me go in with some concealer to clean up the line and fix it up and make it look neat. And I've actually never done it before, but I really loved it. I think I might continue to do that with all my lip looks because it just kind of helped for the lips to look like they were fresh and well put together. So here's the finished look, and I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see anything else from me, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.